complete holiday transformation. It is officially November and Christmas is literally right around the corner. We need to get my Stockholm baddie themed vanilla girl room into the most pink princess Christmas room. Get your holiday pajamas on, get your hot chocolate, and let's get into this video because I bought so many items. Literally broke my bank for this video. This is what we're starting with. Yeah, it's not giving Christmas at all. I actually got rid of every single pink item in my room for the fall, so we need to bring a little bit of that back for the holidays. First things first, let's go holiday shopping. The whole point of Christmas decorating is to go to your HomeSense, your TJ Maxx, Michael, getting the Starbucks sugar cookie latte and browse the aisles. I love doing this with my friends, but honestly I like doing this by myself. Put on my audiobook and I'm listening to Brimstone by Kelly Hart right now. I'm really looking for like pink Christmas items because I'm not like a big red girly, and I already have so many pink stuff that it's so much more easier to incorporate. The items at HomeSense were honestly beautiful. I was so impressed. I'm gonna continue shopping and we'll catch back up when I'm back.
Oh.
Another great place to get holiday decor is Shein. I waited for this order to come in and it finally arrived. So many goodies for Christmas holiday decor, so let's unbox it. First thing I got is this stunning little coffee mug. So it is a glass container with pink little snowman, and I got the plastic top. As you guys can see, I'm going for like a brown theme currently. We gotta change that. So I got these pillow covers. Now I don't actually know what the size of my pillows are, and I kind of guessed, so if these are too big I will just like hem them myself because your girl knows how to sew. It's so much smarter to get pillow covers than brand new pillows, because where are you gonna store all those pillows? So these are the pillows. So like I said, we're going for a pink theme, little Christmas tree to complement the pink theme. I got this hair dryer like makeup bag. It's definitely going to fit my blow dryer and my blow dry brush. This is also kind of random, but I got this custom comb with my name bedazzled on it. This is so beautiful. Oh my god. And literally $5. So you see these behind me, they're not giving Christmas, and because they take up like a large portion of my room, I was like, let me change them out just for the holidays. So I got two posters from Shein. Those ones are from Shein. I think if you're gonna get like photo inserts, Shein is the way to go because it is like canvas paper. It's not like posters, and it's $5. And then lastly, I just got a holiday phone case, which is going to be super cute. So I'm going to put all this on my room, and then I'm going to show you what I got from HomeSense. picked up a cute few pieces at HomeSense, so let me show you. First, we have this beautiful little Christmas house. One of my favorite decorations for Christmas is when people have like a table and it's just all of those like little mini Christmas shops. Those are so beautiful. I love those. When I have my own house, I'm gonna have that. But for now, we're gonna settle for a little pink Christmas little house. This is stunning. It has glitter on it. It's baby pink, baby blue, and watch this. It lights up, so it's gonna be so beautiful in the nighttime, and I'm gonna have this right beside my MacBook because I don't really have anywhere else to put it, but it's so beautiful. Then I got the viral Christmas mug. This was such a good find. If you go on Pinterest and you search up like the gingerbread mug, you will see this. I'm not going to use this to drink because it's literally massive, but I'm going to use it as decoration on my desk as well. It's so beautiful. And then one of my favorite things that I got last year, I got this in Home Goods. So when sometimes me and my mom, we cross the border and we go to Buffalo to go shopping, and Buffalo shopping is the best. And I got this gingerbread blanket. Look how cute this is. It's so pretty. So I'm gonna take away my Cheeto one and have this. So that's why when I'm saying like my room is pink themed, there's a lot of pink and brown. But yeah, this is gonna be so stunning. The only thing I don't really have that much holiday decor on is my mirror over here. So what I'm thinking about doing is maybe going and getting like a Christmas stuffed animal, or maybe like crocheting because I like to crochet stuffed animals. So we'll get to that, but for now, let's go put this everywhere.